Today, we'll talk about how to install and use our filter. Moreover, I will show you how it is done. Curious? Good. That was my intention. Let's dive in. Here it is, my very own Nazava water filter ready for installment. I shall wash my hands as you should before getting started. However, I will use an antiseptic instead. I just don't want to leave you even for a moment. Now, let's start at last. First of all, I shall install the tap. Here, you should ensure that there is a rubber washer on the inside as well as on the outside. And don't forget to tighten it to ensure there will be no leaks. Congratulations! The tap is installed. We can move on to the next stage of our process, the installment of the ceramic filter. Here, check again on the rubber washer from both sides. Tighten but not too tight. Install the tube, and at this stage, try to touch only the blue plastic cap and avoid touching ceramic so it won't break from the plastic. Great! We are almost there. Now, let's put up the stand on a flat surface. Make sure it's stable. Put the clean water container, the one with the tap, on the stand. You are doing great. Now, place the dirty water container, the one with the filter, on the clean water container. Close this construction with a lid. That's it. The Nazava water filter is installed. Congratulations! A piece of advice? Don't install the filter with the water in the upper container, as it really makes things difficult. Don't place the filter in direct sunlight, and don't forget to handle the filter with care. Now that the filter is installed, you can start using it, as I am sure you have been waiting for it for a while now. Fill the upper container with the water, and in 30 minutes, there will be enough water for drinking. However, using the filter for the first time, we recommend discarding the first container of filtered water. A few tips on the usage of our filter as well. Keep in mind that the water will flow faster when the upper container is full, and don't fill the upper tank when the lower is full. Good! Now you know everything about the installment and usage of the Nazava water filter. Check what you've learned today in the quiz after this video. Next time, we'll take a closer look at how to maintain the filter and how to solve the problems that can appear during its usage. But this will be in the next video. And now, take care and good luck with your quiz. See you soon.